Do you want to listen to music on Apple Music without paying right away? You can still get a free trial, and setting it up is really easy. First, open the Apple Music app or go to the Apple Music website in your browser. Now sign in with your Apple ID. If you don't have one yet, you can create it in just a few minutes. Once you're signed in, look for the free trial offer. It's usually placed on the home screen. New users usually get a trial period depending on the current promotion. Tap or click this screen. Next, try it free. Afterwards, it'll require you to sign in your account once again, so simply input your email and password. You'll see here that you can cancel any time in settings at least one day before each renewal date. So keep that in mind. Click confirm, then continue once it asks you to add a payment method. After that, enter your payment details to activate the trial. Again, you won't be charged until the trial period ends. Once everything's confirmed, click done and you'll get full access to Apple Music's songs, playlists, and features right away. Quick tip, set a reminder before the trial expires if you don't want the subscription to renew automatically. And that's it, have access to Apple Music for free during the trial period. If this video helped you, please leave a like or subscribe for more tech tutorials like this.